Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix PrizePicks location error. Now if you are facing the problem of location error while you are trying to sign up or log into your PrizePicks account, then there may be various reasons behind it. So to fix it, make sure to watch the video till the very end. So let's get started. But before that, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now to fix it, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi on a device. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi and open the app, and if it still says there is the location error and all, then you need to simply go on App Store or Play Store on a device. So go on App Store or Play Store on a device and check if there is any update available for PrizePicks. Now to do so, you may simply search the app and check if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, then you need to simply update the app and check again to see if the error has gone or not. So if there is any error pending, then you need to pending and you can't still log in, then you need to open settings on a device, and under settings you will see the option of general. So click on it, and under general you need to click on the option of iPhone storage. So click on it and you need to scroll down until you find the option of PrizePicks. So scroll down and find the app PrizePicks. So here it is. So here you will see the option of offload app and delete app. Now to fix the error, you need to click on the option of offload app, which is highlighted on blue. So after clicking on it, it helps to fix the bugs or error which are currently happening on the app. So after doing that, you may be able to fix the location error. So if you still are not able to fix the error, then you may open VPN on a device and you may simply connect to any other country or any other server and try to log in. Then the error will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix the PrizePicks location error. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.